Hey AOIT people, my name is Mizuche. Welcome back to the channel. I am doing just a small update. I got a new camera and I am currently recording on it. It's great. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Silver, which is pretty nice. It's got great quality. I can view what I'm filming on my phone. It's pretty cool. You get kind of the paradox effect. So yeah, that's happening. So yeah, I got a new camera, and I'm going to use this camera when I go down to Colorado. It's gonna be great. We're gonna go on roller coasters, we're gonna get wet, and yeah. So yeah, new camera. It's gonna be awesome. I have two cameras that I'm taking with me. I have this camera, which is currently actually on my chest strap. I'm just kind of using it as a tripod because I don't have a proper tripod for a GoPro yet. But I'm using this one, and then I also have a Kodak, which is like, it's decently sized. It's a red camera though. So it's a red Kodak. And the quality on that is pretty decent as well. That's the camera I actually used to record the Cottonwood Mill video. The video I recorded with that camera was the Cottonwood Mill video. I don't know where I was going with that. But yeah, so that's it. Another small update. My outro is going to be different, at least for the whole week that I'm in Colorado, because I am going to be editing on a completely different computer. So I won't have all the files and stuff that I have on my main desktop computer, which is what I use to edit my videos. I do also have my laptop, but pack light, you know, especially since this is my first ever time going on a plane in like 17 years. Seriously, the last time I was on a plane, I was like a year old, maybe less. So it's been 17, 18 years since I've been on a plane. That's pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really very, very, very excited. Today is August 3rd. So there's 4 more days left until my flight leaves. So I am very freaking excited for this. I cannot wait. So yeah, that's about it. Someone is texting me. Who is texting me? Okay. Well, anyway, that's gonna be it for this update. Just a small update. Outro's gonna be different. New camera. Yeah. So I will see you guys at the airport for takeoff and for landing. And we will have a lot of fun. So, yeah, I shall see you guys there. Peace out!